look so tiny.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, these are gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
Everything, you look so small.
Mm-hmm. This is a. You think this is a fir or sequoias?
These are sequoias,
Okay.
I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
Because sequoia cones on the ground.
Okay.
And they have the, yeah, they've got the bark of sequoias.
Mm-hmm.
They've got the marks of fire on them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Look at this one over here.
they do. Yeah.
Yeah, they're sequoias.
Yeah.
Round at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Beautiful in this light, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See, and they're gray up the top.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.